Hello guys. So today we are going to learn about the Big Bang theory. So do you know how our universe began, and do you know how our earth made up of, and when it made, and the solar system? Do you have any question like this in your mind? If you have, don't worry, I will solve you today in this video. So by not wasting our time, so let us continue with this topic, the Big Bang theory. Okay, so I have made something here, the structure like triangle. So what is the triangle shape denoted? Okay, basically it denotes that how our universe began to form from a point to this much place. Okay, basically this is the point. Okay, our solar system, before it is doesn't make it, before the Big Bang theory, in the space there is only one dot like this is the dot which is in the space. Okay, and by after the explosion of this dot, now the earth form, solar system form, so many galaxies form, so many stars form. So basically what happened at the point and how it begins to form till solar system. Okay, we will study from the point when it blasts. Okay, basically a point blasted from here and it forms some subatomic particles. Okay, these are firstly, after the blasting, the when the point blast, it forms subatomic particles. This is subatomic particles. Okay, this is subatomic particles. Then what happened after subatomic particles? When the nuclei, after this, the nuclei and electrons combine in an atom. This is the nuclei. Okay, and this is the electron. You have studied about this also, that proton and neutron is inside the nucleus, and electron rotates around nucleus. I think if you are in 10th class, so you have studied about this topic, the boundaries of the cell. This is K cell. If you are 10th class, you have remember about this. This is L shell, and this is KLM. This is N shell. That you have studied about these KNML, and in these boundaries, the electrons rotate around the neutron and proton. Okay, I have told about it. This is another thing. This is another thing. Okay, let's continue with this topic. After 380,000, this is 380,000 years later, it means when the subatomic particles form after these particles, after 380,000 years later, your nuclei and your okay, electron combine into atom. It means your nuclei and the electron combine in atoms after 380,000 years later. It means the subatomic particles is now converting into atoms. Okay, now atoms is converting into after 30 million years. After 30 million years, what happens? After 30 million years, atom is starting converting into galaxies and stars. Okay, now this is the your galaxies and the stars. galaxies and stars. Okay, after 30 billion years it start forming galaxies and stars. Now what is happening after 30 million? At 30, after 30 million stars and galaxies form. After this 30 million, 9 billion years after this, after this also 9 billion year after, it means I am saying that after 30 million, after 9 billion also years later, what happened? Your now your solar system and earth form. Okay, now after 9 billion your solar system and earth form. This is the basic structure how the Big Bang theory starts. Okay, and after when it start from a point, how it's convert into the solar system, and we don't know still now, and how much it expands, and the approx timing. Let me tell you the approx timing of the Big Bang theory. That is, let me rub this all. Wait. So this is the timing when the Big Bang theory starts from now. Not the approx. We have not the definite time, the particular time, but we have the approx time, that is 138.9 billion years later. This is the approx timing when our solar system and not solar system, our Big Bang theory starts. So what I'm going to say that is your founder of Big Bang theory is Neil Stephen Hawking, but the one person is also that whose name is Neil Turon. Neil Turon and Stephen Hawking, these both guys introduced the Big Bang theory in front of the pupil, and the other name of Big Bang theory is Turok theory. Okay, the other that's why it is based on the name of Neil Turok, and Neil Turok gives the name of Turok theory, and Stephen Hawking gives the name of Big Bang theory. So this is for today's video. Thank you, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe and like this video.